Good morning, student. Today in class 9, we are going to deal with the constructions. That is the new chapter, constructions. Here we have to solve the problem of exercise 11.1. Question number 1, that is construct an angle 90 degree at the initial point of the given ray and justify the constructions. So we have to take an initial point on a initial ray. That is, here I am taking a ray. That is, I am taking ray. This is ray. That is O and A is a ray. On this ray, from initial point O, I have to construct a 90 degree angle. So with the help of compass, from initial point you have to draw an arc cutting AB, OA at B, in this way. From this point, that is B, it is B, cutting B. From B, we have to, with same radius, we have to cut another arc at the C, as you can see. With same radius, we have to cut another arc, that is D. So these points are C and D, and with same radius we can draw cut another arc at this point, that is which intersect, and same from the same radius, that is we will draw another arc, that is D, which intersect at the point P. So this, from C we have drawn another arc, and from D with same radius we have drawn another arc which cut the initial arc at point P. So this point is P. This point is P, and then from the point of intersections of these two arcs, we will join the point O. So this is 90 degree. What we have got? This is 90 degree. Now we have to prove, justify the answer. It is 90 degree. So how we will justify? So the justifications, that is OB, justification. OB is radius. OB is radius equal to OC, as with that is we have drawn BC, that is also a same arc with same radius. So BC, and then OC is a radius of the same arc, so equal to OC. So it's form a equilateral triangle. That is, it form an equilateral triangle. So the angle here of equilateral triangle, that is the angle. So triangle OBC is equilateral. So angle BOC equal to 60 degree. Now another triangles, that is will join the OD and DC. So here also, here OC equal to OD equal to DC. So it is also a triangle, equilateral triangle, that is the ODC is equilateral triangle. So angle COD equal to 60 degree. Now we have joined angle, that is we have bisected the angle OC. So bisected angle OC, that is COD, we have bisected COD with the line segment OP. So angle, as you can see, that is angle COP equal to 30 degree. Now angle COP plus angle BOC, that is, we can say that is equal to, that is 60 degree plus 30 degree. So it is equal to angle AOP. So AOP equal to 90 degree. So in this way, we have justified the constructions of the 90 degree. Thank you. Today class is over.